Okay, hey, how are you? This is Dwayne Mooney talking to my group, my trading group. This is the follow-up from the trade that I made yesterday. I want you to look at this. Look at this trade. See this candle right here? This is the candle that went down. Okay. Now I got in here, I believe. Somewhere around here. No, I got in here on this candle right here because it was the fourth one. But look what happened. And I put my resistance right here, blue line, in this area. When it dropped, I think I got in around here. But look, it went down, then it came up, but here's the break while I was asleep. Okay? It came down. Now, what is it going to do? I think it's going to come down some more. I got my trailing stop here. What is it going to do? I'll probably change not only the trailing stop, but what I'll do is change my stop loss to to uh, I got in at 82.45. This is my trailing stop working, but I'll put my a stop loss on it too and change it to 20 pips out at 82.32, 31. So I'm writing the trade down. I'm writing the trade down. Okay? I'm writing the trade down. And we'll see how much money I'll make. If it comes up, it'll take me out. And I also can take some money off the table. Like I can sit up here and take like which one did I get in first? I got in these two. I'm in these two trades. What I did was the second trade, I don't think I was in when I showed you the first training. When it went back up around this area, I think, or was somewhere on this candle. One of these candles, I can't remember. I got back into another trade. Okay, and that was this one. So I can actually take this profit right here. This is how you take half the profit, some of the profit off the table. And I'm still in this position. This is how you control the narrative or manage the account. Took some profit off the table, still in the trade. So I just wanted to show you that where, again, from the last video yesterday, I used some of their strategy. Like I said, I put this up late, which I knew it was going to come back down because look at it. I got in around here, I believe, because I'm looking at the RSI. I got in around here, this area. This is the RSI indicator. And look at it. And then it came back up here, but it was already at a serious resistance level here. And I knew from the past resistance that it wasn't going up too much higher. So here it came about the same level here, but it's lower than this one, but yet it's higher here. That's when you know that's what he was talking about in one of the trading classes. Even the RSI will show lower, but it's higher here. That's how you know it's a good trade. Okay. And I just wrote it down. Okay. So, and then of course I used that, I told you I used on the 15-minute chart, I used I don't know if it'll show. I used uh, the flag that they use. I think it was around here. So I was covered, is all I'm trying to say. That was one of the trainings. So when you use that flag, this blue line and red line, it's like a flag. And I put that up, a long time ago, and I knew it was coming down. So I had a lot of, that's why I learned, they taught me some stuff that I can utilize within my trading system. So I'll probably be getting out of this trade. Look at it. It looks like it's on the 15-minute chart. It looks like it's going to be going up. But we'll see. I'm in it because it may collapse. The RSI shows upswing. Okay. So I may be getting out of it completely. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. Because when I look at the 4-hour chart, it may collapse and continue to come down. Even though it hit a support in this area. I may be getting out of it, but we'll see. We'll see how far to go up. It looks like from here, it may not go up any further. You see this here candle, you see this candle, and this candle. If it passes that, I'll get out. On this, I'll wait to see what this 4-hour candle is going to do, because it may collapse and come down. We'll see. But I took some money off the table. Even if it hits my price, stop loss, I still made some money. So I'm not tripping. It's just we'll see what I'm going to do. Okay? But I'm going to relax because this is going sideways. It still has not even hit this level. It's just going sideways, and that's a good sign. So we'll see what it's going to do. I don't know. I know I made money. I knew what it was going to do here, but I relaxed. I took some money off the table, and I'm still in profit. So I just wanted to show you that.